Hello, judges. We are the Fizzing Twins. Today, we will talk about our experiment titled Visit Class. Before we get into the meat of things, have you seen one of these tablets? Yes, isn't it incredible soluble? It can freeze and bubble right before our eyes as we dunk it in the water. Isn't it also known as the Amazon tablet? But sometimes it feels fast, sometimes it's slower. It dissolves at different rates. So the purpose of our experiment is to measure the effect on the rate of a chemical reaction.
Okay.
You guessed it right. The temperature of the water affects the dissolving of the tablet time. Of course, to conduct any experiment, we will need materials. The materials that we need are clear cups, thermometer, tap water, ice cubes, measuring beaker, pineapple soluble labels, and a timer. After we have gotten all of our materials, we can start conducting our experiment. First, we will get 300 ml of tap water, and we will measure it by using a measuring beaker. Then we will pour it into a clear cup. Then we will measure it using a measuring beaker.
Okay.
The timer starts now. As we dunk the tablet in the water, we watch closely as it dissolves. When it fully disappears, we stop the timer. We then did the same step with ice water and boiling water. Both with two readings taken and recorded. Finally, we analyze and compare all the results. Now let us share the results of our experiment. The room temperature water, the tablet in room temperature water is 24 degrees Celsius, and it took about 130.48 seconds to completely dissolve. The hot water was much faster. It was 80 degrees Celsius, and it took only 41 seconds to fully dissolve. Finally, the tablet took really, really, really long to dissolve in ice cold water, which was at 12 degrees Celsius. It took 255.11 seconds to completely dissolve. That was like over 4 minutes. Therefore, we can conclude that the tablet dissolved the fastest in hot water, and it dissolved the slowest in ice water. When we do our experiment, we are going to have to be clear for our variables. The independent variable is to test the temperature of the water. The dependent variable is to see the time for the tablet to dissolve in the water. Besides that, from our research, we also found out that there are other factors that could make our tablet freeze even faster. And we are hoping to check out how surface area can affect. And this should be
Good. Your answer is good. Continue.
okay. And this will be in our next experiment. Now let us share what happened in all the fizzing. According to kinetic theory of particles, when temperature is higher, the particles gain more kinetic energy and move faster than usual. When its temperature is hot, and it became more active. Besides that, from our research, we also found out that there are other factors that could make our tablet. Thank you. That's all for now. Thank you, judges.
Thank you very much. Okay. Now, you all do this experiment. It's one of the experiment I did when I'm young. Okay, I did it when I'm young. Okay, it's very interesting. I love to play with the fizzy tablet. Okay, now I want to ask a few questions. Can or not? Because I'm very curious. Yeah, you do three temperature only, is it?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, one is room temperature, one is super hot, one is super cold. Am I right? What is the total amount of water in each cup?
300 ml.
300 milliliter. Why you want to set all the same?
Because if we don't set all the same, the experiment won't be the same.
Won't be the same. Okay. All right. All right. You use one tablet or use two tablet?
One.
All right. Is all the tablet same brand or different brand?
Same brand.
Same brand. Why you want to use the same brand? Why not use different brand?
Or else the experiment won't be won't be like won't be fair.
Oh, okay. Okay. Very good. Okay. Very good. Okay. So let's say I have a fever. Okay. I have a fever. I have to drink Panadol soluble. We will suggest you will suggest which temperature?
Hot. Room temperature.
Room temperature. Okay. Any reason? If the answer is different, doesn't matter. I want to know your opinion only. Okay. Why room temperature? Any reason?
Because the hot water might burn your tongue.
Okay.
Cold water might might be too cold.
Okay. Okay. How about the other? You want to tell me why hot is better?
Because it can dissolve the Panadol soluble the faster.
Okay. Okay. That's all? Okay. 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 Good, 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 good. All right. Now I want to ask one last questions. Can I not? Okay. One last question. Okay. Um, what do you think you will do? Let's say if you want to increase the accuracy of this experiment, how do you make it even more accurate in terms of your time so that you can compare with the better data?
We do it more times.
Okay, so for this experiment, you do it one time only, right? The test is only one cold water, one room temperature, and one hot water. Or two times. You do it two times.
Yeah.
You do it two times and then you get the average. Is it? Okay. So to make it more accurate, you make more time, correct or not?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. All right. All right. Okay. All right. I think I don't have any more questions to ask. Okay. Your group has been good. All right. If you be chosen to go to group round two, all right. If you be chosen to go to round two, you need to bring all the experiment there. Can or not? Yeah. Where is there? The location is called Pusat Science Negara. At that place, you will see a lot of people. A lot of people will be walking around, yeah, to see the science exhibition. So you are the one of the group, okay, to tell anybody. They might be children younger than you. Yeah, they might be children younger than you. Just talk to them like talking to a friend. Okay. Yeah, just talk to them like talking to a friend. They might be a grandpa or grandma. Okay, come over. They're not sure what you're doing. Just tell them. You can tell them in Chinese if you want to. Okay, you can tell them in English. Okay, because I want you to convey the message. All right. Okay. Yeah. So that's all from me. Thank you very much. Okay. Job well done. Thank you.
Thank you, judges. Thank you.